Good morning, everybody. So today I'm going kayaking and one of my rods is missing a rod guide, the insert part. So let me see if I can show you this. I don't know if you can tell how the inner part of this rod is missing, the little black ring. And so what's gonna end up happening if I keep fishing with this rod is it's gonna just strain the line. It's gonna eventually just break apart, most likely when I set the hook on a fish. So there's a couple ways you can fix this. What I'm gonna be doing today is I got this Fuji Repair Kit. And you can actually find this at Walmart. So just under $4. It comes with 3 different sizes. And this little stick of glue here. I've done this before, DIY method, and I'll just show you real quick. So I've got this broken rod, and I still have the rod tip on here. So if I wanted to, I can just light this, melt it off, take the metal guide off, and insert it on the tip of my rod that I've got here. The reason I'm not doing it is because these are kind of micro guides, and I don't want to put one micro guide on the tip of that rod. But as far as adhering it though, I can use hot glue. Hot glue gun, a lighter, and an old rod, and you can fix any of your newer rod tips. So let's go ahead and get to work here, fix this rod tip. So in this kit, basically we're going to be melting this glue cylinder a little bit, and we're going to be applying the glue to the tip of the rod, the broken tip. Then we're going to heat the tube that goes on the rod tip, the guide, I believe that's what it's referring to. And then we're going to put it in position and hold it until the glue dries. So first step here is going to be getting this old guide off. A set of pliers probably help because it's going to get hot, I'm sure. Let me go get that. Alright, you can see we just heated this up for maybe 5 seconds, used some pliers, and we were able to just pull it out. So we've got just an exposed rod tip now. As far as which rod tip is going to fit best, I'm going to try the smallest first. That one actually fits pretty good. The guide's a little bigger than the rest of the rod, but that's okay. As long as it's doing its job, I won't be bothered. Much cheaper than buying a new rod. So this is literally a stick of hot glue they put in here. So we're gonna melt the stick and apply it to our rod. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5. All right. Okay, we got that on. We're just going to heat this up a little bit. We're going to send it. That was literally it. It's on there. It's done. So literally for under $4, we just repaired this rod. We got a new guide. We actually have enough material to fix 2 more rods if we need to. And like I mentioned, if you have an old rod with a tip still accessible and hot glue gun, then you can do this yourself without buying anything. So I hope this helps. Hope this saves you some money. This rod will keep doing its work here. And I'll leave you all with that. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.